Hi, this is Michael. I'm a WordPress developer with more than decades of experience in WordPress developing. In this video, I will share with you the multilingual plugins comparison and I will share my experience in developing multilingual website with WordPress. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, first, on this slide, I have shown the uh, format, the different format of multilingual website. The first one is the subdirectory. As you can see, the triple W. This website is the main English website, and this one, the second row is the Spanish. Okay. Of course, there are Mexico, Espanol, or other Spanish. Okay, this is or Spain. Okay, this is just an example. The third one, this is the Russia. Okay, this is the subdirectory format, and uh, and just below the subdirectory there is a subdomain. Okay, some websites are using the es dot yourdomain.com. Okay, uh, the subdomain, this one you can customize with your preference. Okay, you can set Spanish or you can set other words you like. Okay, the third one, on this second column, this is a country domain. Okay, the English website, as you can see, this is the .com, and for Spanish, this is the .es and the .ru. The Russian is the Russian, and different domain. There's another different multilingual website is you can use different domains. All these domains are .com, but the name of the domain is different. Okay. Overall, there are these four from multilingual format. Okay. Next, Muller is as you can see, if you are an experienced SEO, or you must know John Muller. He is he's a Google Search Console tech expert. Okay. John Muller said both subdomain or subfolder um, um, are good for SEO. Okay, so it's okay. You can choose both. You can choose either. You can choose no matter which format multilingual you can choose. Okay, all of those are good for SEO. But if you can process the technical details when you develop a website. Okay. And next is the plugins. Uh, the first column in the first column, all these are can be used in the WordPress CMS. Okay, and also the WPML. And the Weglot I have, Weglot also have the multilingual plugin. Okay. The ranking is not the I just put these plugins at random order. They are not the ranking are not not by my opinion. Okay, because I'm a WordPress developer, and I am experienced in WPML. Okay, I'm an experienced WPML multilingual developer, and in this slide, I have compared all these plugins about how many multilingual format they support, and their and their and their and they're compatible with other plugins in their WordPress ecosystem. And this column is their price, and this one is the if these plugins can support the multilingual and multi-currency, and this column showing what CMS they can support, okay. And this column is showing the auto translation pricing, okay. As you can see, if we consider their pricing and their CMS and other and their plugins compatible, I suggest you can use WPML. If their pricing, their auto translation pricing is a little high, but if we can consider in a long and very long time, for example, if you translate about 20,000 words by €182, this is one time cost. This is one time payment, and for every year, for example, if your website can manage for 10 years, their cost for each year is less, okay. And in this slide, I will share if the plugin can be compatible with the SEO plugins, for example, the recommends or used SEO, and also if these plugins can support their custom views. If you are developing website with ACF or Jet Engine or MetaBox or any other WordPress developer tools, and this column is showing if these plugins support their manual settings, okay. As you can see, some plugins, they do not allow you to translate, to do some customized translation. For example, if you want to translate the Slack, then if you choose this plugin, it does not support you to translate the Slack. And the last column is showing whether the translation will be existing permanent, okay. I mean, if you do not renew their service, they will delete your translation, like the detranslate and the Waglot, okay. And TP and Polylang and WPML, their translation are permanent, and but in consideration of the SEO plugin compatible and the custom views compatible, so I suggest WPML, okay. In this video, I will not share any affiliate links, okay. This video, I just share my experience in developing the multilingual website, okay. So if you plan to develop a WordPress multilingual website, you can contact with me, or if you find this video is knowledgeable, is good, okay, you can subscribe my video and my channel, okay. Thank you, bro.